Here's another piece of artwork by artist Shane Beck. He lives in Arkansas. And this one I'm calling Jellyfish. The jellyfish is blue, and it's another multicolored towel. Shane does this artwork on little cards, and then we got his artwork custom printed on some linen cotton canvas. Here's what this looks like folded in half, and then there's the other half of it. And it's got a nice crisp hand to it. This is right out of the dryer again, and I store these flat while they're in inventory, so they usually look nice and straight. This towel is about 14 by 26 inches. Sizable towel and nice color, a lot of fun. Put a little art in your kitchen today. Bye-bye.